So good morning to all. So today onwards we are going to start a new chapter number 4, basic of operating system. So in the previous chapter we already studied what you mean by operating system and what is the use of operating system, what is the functionalities of operating system. So this chapter we are going to study it in detail. So first we need to study what you mean by operating system, the basic concept. So an operating system is act as an interface between user and the hardware. The previous section we already studied. This is a better definition. So it acts as an interface between user and the hardware. So look at that here, basic concept of operating system. So in the first chapter we already studied the major components of computer system. So computer consists of a hardware system and operating system, then too many application program, then humans. So these are the main four components of computer system: hardware, operating system, application program. So too many application program we study in the previous chapters, and the human or user, so who use the computer. So this is the basic major components of computer system. So then we are going to study the operating system detail. So first you need to just understand the definition. Operating system is a program, it is a system software. So first we need to study it is a system software, so which acts as an interface between user and the hardware. So look at that, one figure is there. So it will explain the components of a computer system. So we already study hardware is there, operating system is there, application program, then user. So user interact to the computer via application programs. So here, so look at that operating system, that is an interface between that user and hardware. So if user put anything, that is via only application program, too many application programs. So user enter any data or do anything via application programs. So that application program is installed on where, that operating system. So what is it, is act as an interface between user and the hardware. So this is the explanation of this figure. So where the hardware provides the basic computing resources, the application program run defines the way which the resources are used to solve a computing problem. So the operating system control and coordinate the use of hardware among the various application program. So this is the main explanation. So it means that application program means in order to do some operation. Hardware means, so too many hardwares are there like a keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. So this operating system control this hard operation between, or the coordinates the operation between the hardware among the application program. So this is the better definition for an operating system. So this figure is important. So then a role of operating system. So in the previous chapter we already studied this role. Not study, we already just write only. So these are the main role of operating system: program execution, handling input output operation, manipulation of file system, error detection, resource allocation, accounting, information and resource protection, providing user interface. The program execution means the basic responsibility of an operating system means in order to execute program means run various programs, for example, in order to play a movie or in order to play one music, an operating system is required. So in order to do any applications, in order to do anything on the computer, operating system is needed. So that is called program execution. Second one is called handling input and output operation. So we already studied what you mean by input and what you mean by output. So all the types of input and output operations are handled by operating system only. So the data stored on the computer in the case of file only. So this file manipulation system means storing a file, where it is stored, the actual storage means where the memory from where it is stored, that type of storing is also decided with the operating system only. So if anything, any error is handling on our any error is means happens on the computer, so that time error detection and error handling is another duty of operating system. So resource allocation means So assume that there is only one printer is there in a network or in a computer. So the operating system that allocate the resources efficiently. For example, multiple files to be printed, then how which the order the printer takes place. Those is the same example. So operating system only decide that in the way it is printed. So resource allocation means to effectively allocate different resources. So next one means accounting. Accounting means nothing but so all the anything happened on the computer that should be recorded. So operating system keeps a record or an account where the types of functioning takes place and what type of error has been occurred. So this all type of information is stored on a log file, that is called accounting. This is the duty of operating system. Then information and resource protection. So the operating system is also responsible for information and resource protection. Then providing user interface. This is important. So look at that. Operating system has two parts, kernel and shell. So kernel is responsible for interactive with or interface between hardware, and shell is responsible for interface between user. So operating system consists of two parts, kernel and shell. Kernel is responsible for interacting with the hardware and shell is responsible for interacting with the user. So interacting with the user means nothing but a user interface, GUI, graphical user interface. So this is done by the shell part of operating system. So these are the main roles of operating system. And today we study what is by operating system and what is the exact working of operating system by explaining this figure. Then the different roles of operating system. We study 8 different roles detail. So hope you understand that today's class.